Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change background colors in Tradingview. So first thing what you will do is simply go ahead and go to one of your trade. And now after that, you could just simply go ahead and click on this icon over here on the top right corner, which is the settings. So you could access the settings as well by right clicking on the trade. And after that, you will have the settings over here down below. And now you can just simply go for the canvas over here. And first thing, you will have the background over here. And you will have two options, which is solid and gradient. So from here, you could just simply change the color. And as you can see, it will automatically change based on your own settings or personal preferences. And there you go. Once you are done, you could just simply click on OK down below over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any question, guys, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.